11 recipes for using green tea in your skincare routine. There are so many ways you can use this amazing natural ingredient to improve skin health. In addition to simply adding green tea to your everyday skincare products, why not try some of the following beauty recipes to naturally harness the power of green tea? 1. Green tea and aloe skin toner. This 3-ingredient toner couldn't be simpler to make, and will tighten pores, remove toxins, reduce redness and moisturize. Simply blend water, green tea, and aloe vera for a gentle astringent action. Those with extra oily skin can add some witch hazel if they wish. 2. Green tea and rice flour face mask for oily skin. This mask will soak excess oil and sebum right up thanks to the rice flour, while green tea will actually reduce the production of sebum. Lemon juice is a fantastic astringent which kills bacteria and tones the skin. 3. Anti-aging green tea and turmeric face mask. Add the potent antioxidant power of both green tea and powdered turmeric to your weekly skincare routine and you'll soon have a supple and youthful glow. Be careful if you have light skin. Turmeric will stain if left on too long. 4. Green tea bags for puffy eyes. This unbelievably affordable and natural beauty product quickly and visibly reduces dark circles and diminishes puffiness. Just steep 2 green tea bags for 3 minutes, before allowing to cool in the refrigerator and applying to tired eyes. 5. Green tea sugar scrub. A delicious and pretty homemade scrub that is packed full of goodness. Reduce redness, and create radiant and silky soft skin with regular applications. All you need is a green tea bag, 1 cup of brewed green tea, a cup of granulated sugar, and some olive oil. 6. Simple green tea facial steam. Steam therapy has been used to enhance health for thousands of years. It not only benefits skin health, but it can be used to relieve congestion and reduce mucus. For this simple steam bowl, simply add 3 teaspoons of dried loose green tea or tea bags to a bowl of steaming water. Place a towel over your head, and breathe in the healing vapors, allowing the green tea and steam to cleanse your pores. 7. Lavender eucalyptus green tea detox bath salts. Salt baths are a fantastic detox tool, as they remove excess toxins through reverse osmosis. These homemade salts contain a whole host of beneficial ingredients which soothe and nourish the skin at the same time, including Epsom salts, baking soda, vitamin E oil, and eucalyptus and lavender essential oils. 8. Homemade facial wash. A gently lathering cleanser which comprises green tea, antimicrobial tea tree oil, sweet almond oil, and the ever-popular liquid Castile soap. 9. DIY natural green tea sunscreen. Because chemical sunscreens can pose some hidden health threats, buying mineral sunscreens is always a better option. Of course, you can make your own mineral sunscreen too, like this recipe, which harnesses the UV-fighting powers of green tea. 10. Green tea after sun spray. Ease and soothe skin after sun exposure with the beneficial ingredients in this spray, green tea, witch hazel, and aloe vera. 11. Soothing itchy spray, for bug bites. If you end up being bitten by bugs at every camping trip, hike, and barbecue, no matter how well you cover up, then this recipe is for you. The astringent power of green tea and the soothing abilities of plantain and peppermint mean your itching and irritation will quickly subside. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, if you new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and the notifications pop up, so if you can notified every time upload any video. I see you in the next video.